Hello everyone, welcome to the XoroERP recurring transactions tutorial. In this guide we're going to go over how to manage your recurring transactions. So you can create recurring transactions from invoices, bills, or journal entries, and only for non-inventory items when it comes to invoices and bills. And so whenever you create a recurring transaction, it's going to end up in this module right here. And so what you can actually do is you can right click and you can edit the recurring criteria. So you can change the name of it, change the recurring frequency, change the end date if necessary. You can also view the transaction, so you can view what kind of transaction it is, what items or accounts it's pulling up, and edit it from here as well. You can activate or deactivate it. So basically, if you want to temporarily stop it or resume it, you can do so, and if you want to delete it. And that's how you manage your recurring transactions.